alam mo yung naubos na yung oras namin, tapos gutom na kami ni Andy.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Mga Zoobs! I'm awake! Kanina pa ako awake actually. Ang dami na nga naming nagawa. And yung mga ginawa ko, hindi ko naman ma-vlog. Ikukwento ko na lang sa inyo. So, inaayos yung aircon namin kasi yung condenser ay nagkukos ng init. Yung init ng condenser, parang naiipon siya dun sa labas ng balcony. Kaya hindi siya masyadong lumalamig sa loob namin. Lumalamig sa tapat lang. Pero yun nga, ililipat yung aircon sa taas ng bubong. Yung condenser lang. Tapos, dumating yung carpet supplier. Ayan, magpapakarpet kami ng floor. Sa taas lang. Yung cortina and blinds. Tapos si Andy back and forth sa condo. Si Ima naglinis ng condo. Tapos ang daming mga surprise guests na hindi ko na i-vlog.
Yes, kasi with
surprise kasi. Talaga nagulat ako. Thank you so much, Cara Skin, for the cake na medyo kinain na ni Mimi. Kasi ang ganda ng cake. Mga prutas yung nasa ibabaw. Tapos creamy siya. So, tinikman ko na din. Ang sarap. At syempre kay Rishi din, yung carpet supplier namin, nagdala din siya ng cake. Nakakahiya. Ice cream cake naman, hindi nala niya. Tapos, ayun, meron akong 5 cakes ngayon sa ref. Hindi ko alam paano namin uubusin. Yung iba siguro bibigyan namin yung mga workers din namin sa bahay. Tapos nagpapansit kami.
But we're gonna have a party on the weekend.
Oo, yung Easter, no?
Yung barbecue.
Oo, yan, dali namin.
Yeah,
I think it's pushing through. Kasi itong Holy Week, hindi na kami aalis. Dahil marami nga kaming liligpiting mga gamit, damit, na na-accumulate namin for the past months na nandito kami. Akala namin konti lang yung gamit namin. Ang dami, no?
I don't know. It doesn't matter where we go.
Bakit nangyari yun?
Yeah, look at the stuff in Australia. We have my bedroom in Mum's house that's full of stuff. Apartments full of stuff. Mum's house is full of stuff. Our house is full of stuff.
Pero feeling ko wala akong damit. Ang konti.
I don't know.
Hindi ko rin alam. So hindi ko rin maintindihan sa bakit.
Because every time we travel, we usually buy a whole new batch of clothes.
Ayun pa pala, dumating yung box namin, di ba? So, dapat pala hindi mo muna yung binuksan. Tingnan mo, nagkalat. Yung mga laruan ng mga bata kasi mostly nandun. Ayan.
Ay, may accident dito.
Kaya siguro traffic. Anyway, mga Zoobs, it's my birthday and wala talaga akong pinlano yung mga labas-labas namin and mga nakikita nyo na post ko ng mga kainan, ganyan. Dahil, syempre, nagpakain tayo sa taping. And gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa gumawa nun. Myself. Charot. Syempre, ang Ilos at si B, si Ate Gigi from Chicago. Siya talaga yung nagsabi na kailangan kahit pa paano, syempre 40th na kasi mga Zoobs, i-celebrate ko siya dahil milestone yan para sa akin. Tapos nga, yung sa mga friends ko, ano yan, marami kaming April baby. So, sinasabay-sabay na namin yung celebration. And happy ako kasi nakapag-celebrate ako with them kasi last year, nandun pa kami sa Australia.
We do last year, I remember.
Hilton. Oo, kasi di ba baby shower din yun. Ni Mace. And then, ano pa ba yung
gift?
Yung Revel. Biglaan lang din yun. Tapos si Rob Quinto nagpa-cake. Kasi nalaman niya malapit na birthday ko. And syempre, hindi ko pa napapakita sa inyo yung gift ni Andy at ng mga bata sa akin. Pag uwi ko from taping kaninang morning, nakalagay siya sa side table ko. Pakita ko sa inyo kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan nila binili yung regalo. Andy lied to me.
It's a good lie naman.
Yeah.
Kasi it's hard because we're always together, so it's hard to get out and get something, especially with the kids. Get up, grab it.
ngayon, ang pinlano ko lang is gusto ko mag-IKEA kasi syempre since lumipat na kami, doon namin nalalaman na kailangan pala natin ito, kulang nito, ito pala yung kailangan pa nating bilhin. So may mga ganon. Kahit pangatlong beses ko na dito sa IKEA, kahit na napakaraming tao at minsan talagang ayaw mong pumunta, dito rin talaga ako bumabagsak. Actually, yung mga hangers, kulang ba? Should we buy more? Kasi parang yung clothes mo, wala ka pang nahahanger.
Maybe just get them delivered na lang.
Yung mga hanger, no? Kasi mahirap bit-bitin nun eh.
Yeah, they're not like, I don't know, they're awkward to bring.
Yeah.
Take up too much space. At least in the box.
Correct.
Come straight to the door.
Correct. And kasi, tomorrow na din last day ng workers sa amin before mag-holiday, Holy Week. Kaya gusto namin at least malinis yung buong bahay for the coming 4 days na, yun nga, hindi naman sila gagawa. So, we wanted to, at least kahit paano, super linis and lahat ng kailangan namin nandoon. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo yung ibang mga maliliit na kailangan namin, like yung towel rack na hindi namin naisip. Naisip ko na yung dati, pero hindi ko alam bakit hindi ko binili.
Which one?
Yung towel rack, sampayan ng mga tuwalya ng mga bata. Yung kahit dinidikit lang muna. O whatever kung ano yung makita natin doon. Kasi hindi ko mahang yung towels nila. Eh, yung towel rack namin, nandun sa kabilang room, sa toilet namin. So, syempre, alam nga namang doon ko pa isabit yung nagamit nilang tuwalya, di ba? Ano pa ba? Electric fan.
You think we need one yet? Parang walang electric fans.
Wala ba electric pa sa IKEA?
They don't do like appliance.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, see my ups and downs.
Zoops, natapos na kami sa IKEA. Nakabili kami ng cabinet, nakabili kami ng mga baskets para sa toiletries namin.
Just floor mats.
Floor mats. Yung iba lang, hindi namin nabili kasi online na lang. Ang haba kasi talaga ng walkway. Alam mo yung naubos na yung oras namin, tapos gutom na kami ni Andy. Ngayon naman, pupunta kami ng Hilton. Doon kami kakain para sa akin.
Birthday celebration.
Kaming dalawa lang.
So we just got back from dinner, guys. I'm here in the condo for the very last time. So this is the last look at the 2-bedroom condo we had here. So that's the bed. This is the main room. And as I mentioned before, this was a balcony that we covered up with this because syempre naman we don't want the kids going out there having any problems. We got a bunch of bags here. Actually, I thought there was only a few. Pero madami pa, so I'm gonna have to do this tomorrow kasi masyadong madami. And this was the kids' bedroom, which you've never seen it this clean before. But yeah, they had all their clothes there, and it's quite cool in here. It was like the window was open, but we cleaned everything up, and it's smelling really good now and fresh. So that's where the kids were sleeping. And of course the bathroom. Oops, might as well turn the light on. Yeah, and that was our bathroom for, I don't know how long we were here, 1 month. And then this was our dining area. So just gotta take the rubbish out as well. And then here is our fridge. So we didn't have a cooking space, that's why pretty much every meal we ate outside or we got deliveries. So yeah, I'll bring some stuff down and then that'll be it. Alright guys, so I'm back at the house now and pretty much everything is here. So we have a bunch of bags and pretty much everything's clear. We just got, I think, about 6 to 8 bags left in the house. Oops. Bakit gising ka pa? Ayun, sila gising pa. But yeah, we just brought most of our toiletries and stuff here, and then we just got to sort some stuff out as well. And pillows, we got to unwrap them. Ano pa? And yeah, we got to empty these bags and put them outside.